Hey, greetings, salutations. Check this out. Shiny. One's on the back too. Shiny. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's never been that clean since we moved here. All right, let's give a little update on the bus, what I've been doing. So let's go in the back here first. I had to add these wings here because there's going to be doors here that open up, right? So if I had made this all the way to here, I wouldn't have been able to open it. Yeah, there. Look at that, wow. Of course you've seen all this. I'm gonna put the plywood up there. And I'm not gonna finish this section off until I got all the 12-volt run, because that's kind of my chase, yeah. And I got this piece back installed. I got my bump stop installed for the pocket door. Got the backer up, and this is just for illustration. Those little LED puck lights. And I got to this side last night. This is the last thing I did, and I drilled these, not realizing that that's going to cover it up. That overhead thing comes about to here, so that's going to be covered up. So these this overhead storage, so we're going to have a false bottom in it. Put some 1x furring strips in here, and then in the middle I'll put those LED lights so that there'll be lighting underneath here. From there, I think all the way to here is going to be like a lounge couch. I thought about ending it like right here and just make the whole length a couch, and probably from, you know, from like say there all the way to the end of the window. And I don't know what I'll do here. I don't know. Put a chair there maybe. I don't know. I'm winging it. I'm winging it, guys. So expensive. Holy cow. I went to the Home Depot, picked up 5 sheets of plywood, this stuff, 5 sheets of that sanded plywood, and a tube of construction adhesive, and a can of paint. $200. Crazy. So right now I'm waiting on a whole bunch of little stuff, like let me show you. Like these here. Little piece of aluminum. Hey, what's that for, Rick? Well, let me show you. So I've been lamenting on what I really should ultimately do with these basement doors, because these are not standard size, and they're, you know, the way that these things work, it's kind of proprietary, right? So the piece that goes on here, the latch, is just a T-handle, and they're not chrome plated or anything. They're just raw metal and they need to be painted. And they're like, by the time you factor in shipping and tax, it's like 40 bucks a piece. So I'd have 160 bucks wrapped up into the original steel version. And I thought, well, what do I need to make this work? Basically, just a piece of 3/8 key stock to go in here, and I can make a handle so that it fits inside of here, so I can just turn that to lock it. And then I made these little aluminum doors, and they'll go on there like that, with a piece of aluminum piano hinge on this side, and then a barrel lock similar to the one that's on the fuel door. Okay, go right there. So all these would be lockable, and you just open them up, and then I powder coated them on the inside this obnoxious green color, so you just walk by them and at a glance see if they were open before you went on the road. And you know, you want to make sure these are closed and secured, so I made them this obnoxious green color. That and Tanner likes this color. I kind of do too, but Tanner's favorite color. So I'm waiting for the aluminum piano hands to show up, and then, oops, and then I'll paint these, the gray, same color gray. I'll paint these and get some little rubber, some rubber gasket material, so that that's sealed off from the weather. And the key stock's coming. I don't know when it'll be here, if it'll be here before the weekend or not. But we're very rapidly closing in on the 2-year mark on this project. If you go back to the very beginning, search out Control Your eBay or It'll Control You video. It's #1 in this series. It was the 26th of December, the day after Christmas, that I flew out of Vegas here and headed up to Oregon to pick this thing up. Portland, flew into the Portland airport to pick this thing up, and it's been just about 2 years now, so we're in the home stretch. But we're, like I said, we're coming up on Christmas, and you know, folks are going to be coming in this weekend, so I won't be doing any work on it while they're here, unless you and my dad might go ahead and try to get the HVAC working, get some heat pumping into there. Just plugging away at it, and now my little Hunter's coming home on that bus. It's like one of my favorite times of the day when my little boy comes home.
Alright, I'll see ya. Can I have kisses?
What's it say?
Can I have kisses? Thank you.
So just a real quick update, just to keep you in the loop. If you're traveling for Christmas, be careful out there. Maybe I'll get a chance to do an update before Christmas, but I'm not gonna hold my breath. Come on, bud. But in the event that doesn't happen, Merry Christmas. Hope you have a great holiday, and don't eat too much apple pie, pumpkin pie, and drink too much eggnog. That wouldn't be good. If you haven't done so yet, underneath this window is a little button that says subscribe. Click in it and it will go from red to some other color, and then right next to it, click on the notification bell icon and you'll be notified of future uploads. Share this video with your vast social media network if you're so inclined, and as always, fellas, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. See you next time. Oh, so bright.